Hi. Today I have cycled after almost 20 years, and it was very smooth. I enjoyed the ride. It was not tiring, and I have started feeling that it is a good form of exercise, and I should start doing it more often. Hi, this is Reena. I think I cycled today after almost 10 years. I used to use my daughter's cycle just to, roam around in the complex. But today, I can't believe myself. I actually rode the bike on the main roads, and I'm totally delighted. Now I want to buy my own bike, and I want to take part in all the events.
Hi, I'm Ina. I was cycling from last 2 years. I was into cycling from beginning only, and today but I've never rode on our roads. But I loved it today because event is so nice, and today's Women's Day, right? So I enjoyed a lot.
Cycled after I think around 25 years, taken part in the triathlon. That's the time when we had cycled all the way from Prabhadevi to Nariman Point and back. That's the way we used to train for the triathlon and all. And then after so many years, just got this opportunity. One of my friends introduced me and decided, wow, I definitely want to do this. Very apprehensive earlier, but after the ride, it was great. And definitely would want to be a part of this, this kind of an endeavor.
Hi guys, I am cycling after 25 years, and of course yes, completely given up. And then when I came across this Woo the Man, I was like, okay, this is something very, very interesting. And of course, as there are always anxieties whether will I get onto it, nothing. But I guess I had a lot of support, and I got onto it. And trust me, I think it is fantastic, and I've got hooked onto it. I met a couple of people who are onto it. I've added them on Facebook, and I'm like, okay, I'm going to get myself a good bike and get going, like that. So biking is the way. Awesome.
मेरा नाम मधु वैष्णव है। मैं 1 साल से साइकिलिंग कर रही हूँ, और ये ऑर्गेनाइजेशन बहुत अच्छा है। मुझे अच्छा लगा, इसके लिए मैं ये ऑर्गेनाइजेशन में आई। ये फर्स्ट इवेंट है मेरा लाइफ का, पहली बार है, और नेक्स्ट टाइम जो भी इवेंट होगा मैं ट्राई करूँगी आने के लिए।
After 10-15 years, we can start the cycle again, and I like the cycle bikes. और मैं और भी करना चाहती हूँ, सब इवेंट्स में ज्वाइन करूँगी अभी तो। ओके।
Thanks Woody Man for this opportunity. I don't know for how many years we've been waiting. We'll have some space to cycle, and I can't believe like a 10 kilometer. That's a big thing. After almost I guess 26 years.
Okay.
Yeah, and we were actually thinking that should we get a cycle, and cycles were superb conditions. We look forward to many more such. In fact, if every weekend there is smaller stretch also, fantastic. Best towards the fitness. Woody Man rocks. Thank you.
I was waiting for such type of ride. I'm working as a teacher, and I really love to cycle, so I was waiting for such event, and luckily I got this opportunity, and I'm still looking forward to it. Every week or every weekend I am ready to go for this such type of. And Disha, really thank you so much for motivating me.
Hi, I'm Shibani. For me, this is the first event after ages, and I loved the entire experience, and I feel it's a very, very good initiative to really get awareness amongst women to drive. And I think it's a very well organized event, and for me, way forward, I have almost logged on my cycle, and I'm buying it, and now it's going to be a regular affair for me. So I've been running, but this will be like side by side, I'll be now cycling too.
Hey, hi, I'm Deepa Churi. I've been cycling since past 2 years, but for the past 6 months I've been really taking up. I've done my 100+ kilometers in I Can Ride, and this event was fabulous. We rode all the way from Belapur till here, and now we're going to ride back. I enjoyed this event, and of course I'm going to upgrade my bike from MTB to road bike, and just aiming for the BRMs. Of course I'm going to ride